Hey, Aaron.
Oh, hey Joe, how are you?
I'm good. What are you doing?
Just having a look at a 3D model for Cross River Rail. What are you doing here?
I'm here to ask you a few questions.
Perfect, let's go.
All right, so where are we now?
We're in the mock-up shed for the Cross River Rail project.
Okay, and what is your role?
I'm a project engineer with UGL, delivering the tunnel fit out.
Cool. All right, what does that involve?
Day to day, there's coordination of crews, materials, and communication with other construction teams and design team also.
Excellent. What made you want to join the rail industry?
I had a great experience on a previous rail project down in Sydney and decided that Cross River Rail would be a fantastic opportunity for me to expand on that.
Oh, that's so good. All right, what do you prefer, hands-on or project management?
In my role, I have the perfect mix of both, to be honest. I'm able to coordinate with the crews on the ground and have the management responsibilities also.
Okay, great. What's your biggest achievement on this project?
It'd be the connection of our overhead line with the QR network.
Awesome. All right, tell me about your team.
My team consists of project managers, area managers, supervisors, project engineers, and undergraduate engineers.
Okay. What's one thing you love about your job?
I love that every day is different. Every day is a challenge, and every day is a chance for me to expand upon my knowledge.
Yeah, and what makes you proud?
I'm proud of the progress that myself and my team have made on the tunnel fit out scope.
Great. Lastly, what advice would you give to your 20-year-old self?
I'd probably say never back down from a challenge and always strive to be better than you were yesterday.
Awesome advice. All right, well, I'll let you get back to it.
Good to see you.
Thanks, Aaron.
Cheers, Joe.